boys and girls. So today we are going to draw a turtle. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold my paper so it's vertical in front of me. And I'm gonna make a big oval. Leave yourself enough room on the side so that this way you can see the legs. Okay, then I'm gonna do a half circle for the head. We're gonna do triangles around the outside. So big triangles almost all the way to the sides. So here's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then I'm gonna do a skinny little one for the tail. All right, so that's the easy part. The next part is the inside of the shell. So when you do these, you wanna draw it really light so that this way you can erase your line. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like kind of a donut shape in the inside. So I'm gonna go right along the outside and I'm gonna do a circle shape. And then I'm gonna do one more circle shape. Okay. All right, now, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna do 2 diagonal lines on the top, 1 and 2. Then I'm gonna do 2 on the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to do another diagonal and another diagonal. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Another diagonal, another diagonal. Okay, and then I'm gonna do 2 more. Diagonal, 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 diagonal. Okay. After you're done with that, you're gonna erase those little pieces inside the smaller little rectangle. So I'm gonna erase those little pieces. Erase little pieces. Okay, and now we're ready to do the inside. So the inside, I'm gonna start with a circle shape all the way around the outside. And then I'm going to do 2 lines in the middle for my rectangle shape. And then 1 more on the top, 1 more on the bottom. Then same thing I just did, I'm gonna erase the inside pieces. After I do that, I'm gonna do 2 little circle shapes for the eyes. Okay. And then you're ready to color. When we color these, I'm not just gonna color them to fill in the spaces. I'm gonna color them using 2 colors in each section. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decide what kind of greens or browns I wanna do for my turtle. And I'm gonna take and do the inside pieces of my head and my feet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the outside. Okay, just like I did there. I'm gonna do around the inside here. I'm gonna do around the inside here. Around the inside here. And around the inside here. All right, so with my greens, I'm gonna do the inside pieces the light green for my turtle. I'm gonna do light green for my tail. And you could do any 2 colors for this that you want. All right, and then I'm gonna do my other second color around the outside. So I've got my 2 greens. Now, with those same 2 colors in the outside of my turtle, okay, I'm gonna do just kind of like straight lines inside them. So I'm gonna do it with both colors. So if you look, I'm gonna start with the lighter color first. I'm gonna do some straight lines. Straight lines. I'm gonna go around my eyes because I'm gonna have them stay nice and black. I'm gonna trace around them. Straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. And then I'm gonna take that same color that I just used and I'm gonna go over it a little bit. So that this way it gives me 2 colors in each of those sections. Okay, and then you're gonna leave that little line around it to make it accented. All right, so now I'm gonna choose 2 more colors. I'm gonna do a light purple and an orange. So I'm gonna do the same thing for my shell. I'm gonna do my light purple all the way around. And then I'm gonna trace those pieces just on the outer circle with these colors. And then I'll do 2 more on the inside. So here's those outer circles. All right, so same thing, straight lines inside, straight lines inside. So there's my first color, and then I'm gonna do my second color, which is my orange. So straight lines. And it kind of gives it a neon vibe to it. All right, then same thing for the inside. Gonna choose 2 different colors. I'm gonna do my turquoise and white. So I'm gonna outline it with the white. Okay, inside, nice and straight. And then the turquoise to go over top of it. All right, then you do the same thing for your background, but before I do my background, and I'll do like a pink and an orange for my background. Before I do the background, I'm gonna take one of those colors and I'm gonna outline around that turtle. So I'm gonna outline around them. And then my background is only going to be on the outside of that line. Okay, so again, straight lines all the way around the background. And it doesn't need to be all colored in. Okay, and then the next color, same thing. I'm gonna go over it. Finish up those lines. So you're using 2 colors in every section. Okay, and there's your beautiful turtles. I hope you had a good time making your turtles today, boys and girls.